Shooter ready. Stand by. 430.
430?
Get your rifle pick. Okay, shooter ready.
There's nothing wrong with it. Just
Stand by.
you gotta pull it back to hit the safety.
Yeah.
And when I was pulling it back, I was trying to push it forward because it wasn't loading right.
Oh.
I just barely touched the trigger.
Oh.
That's all I did.
Where did we leave off?
That was,
I put a brick through it, nothing.
yeah, good.